Hello dear students, today I am just demonstrating how can we measure these angles. We already learned how to measure the angles and also construct the angles in the previous classes, but you maybe forgot how to measure the angles. That's why I am taking this specific picture for this exercise 6.2. In that case we may be having some confusions for measuring the angles. So we know that how an angle is formed. How the angle is formed is, you can see this picture. Angle is formed when the two lines is starting or end, but meeting at a point. Okay, you can see that OA is a ray, okay, and OB is a ray. So when two rays starts or meets at a common point, we will get a an angle. So this is this is the angle formed here. BOA is an angle formed here. Okay, so this is the angle. Like that, these angles we can measure. For measuring an angle, we need the instruments called this one. This our protractor. Okay, I hope that all of you have this instrument. Okay, so those who don't have this instrument, this protractor, you have to buy it. It costs only 5 rupees. Okay, so so the protractor. So the reading also you have to know. You know that the protractor measures from a 0 to what value? 180, isn't it? 0 to 180. Okay, 0 to 180 is its value. Okay, yes. So you can see that you know that here down also 0, starting from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, like that it comes to 180 down. And if up also you can see that it is starting from this point 0 to 180, isn't it? Down and up we have measurements, isn't it? And how or what is the use of or why we are having these two readings, that also you know. Depending upon the nature of our angle, we are actually measuring, isn't it? Depending upon the angle formed, whether it is formed on the left end or right end, isn't it? If it is on forming on the left end, this side, what we have to do, we have to keep it like this way, isn't it? Then we have to take the baseline as this one, isn't it? This is the baseline. You can see that this is the center, isn't it? So you have to keep this center on here, isn't it? And the baseline should be on here. Likewise we have to keep, okay, and here which reading we have to take here or here? Yes, of course it should be here. That is down 0 is on here, 0, 10, 20, like that it is going. So I am not going to measure this angle. We have to measure the angles in exercise 6.2. okay, so I'm just showing how we are measuring this angle. Okay, so listen. Okay, so this one, measure the marked angles. Marked angles are this one. Two angles are marked here. You have to measure the both angles. Okay, you have to measure this angle and also this angle. Okay, so how can measure it? For this one we can see that this is which angle? BOA. Okay, this angle is what? BOC. BOC and BOA or AOB or BOC. Okay, this and this one. Okay, so to measure this angle, so you can just imagine about this one, BOA. Okay, this one only we are going to measure now. Okay, BOA. Okay, and after that cross this one. Okay, and you have to measure BOC. Okay, so BO, I am going to measure that angle. Okay, so for that one the common point is what? O, isn't it? So I am keeping my protractor here. Okay, and you can see that so now you can see that so AOB, isn't it? B is on here, so it is what is the 0, 10, 20. Don't take this one, or baseline is this one, OA. Understand? So here is the 0, baseline 0 is here. So 0, 10, 20. So what we will get here? What is the reading? It is what? 20, isn't it? BOA is 20. Now take this one, BOC. For that one we have to keep it here. Okay, like this way. Understand? This is the baseline, means you have to keep your protractor like this way, isn't it? The baseline. Understand? Okay, so yes, this way. Understand? Okay, you have to adjust and keep like this way. Got it? This is the center, this is the baseline, and just screw. I will show you. Okay, like this way. Okay, now the baseline is here. Understand? Okay, and this is, it's nearly equal to 70. Okay, Okay, I just adjusted and now you can see that it is exactly going through which one? 70, isn't it? This is the base. Okay, this is the base. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. You can see that it's arrow. Understand? If you adjust like this way, you will get a exact measurement. Okay, okay, 0 to 70. Understand how I measured? Like this way. Got it? So like that way we have to find the measurement of this also. Listen, this also what we have to do, we have to measure what are the angles. This angle is in this one and also this one. Listen, so you can take a here what you have to do it is you have to measure this one, isn't it? So you can take like this way. Got it? And you can measure this one. It's you will get a 30, I think. So it is 30. So this one is 30. For this one you have to take this way. You have to rotate this textbook. Then only you can measure. Understand? This here what you will get in, you will get a what, which side it is formed. Now it is on here, this side, isn't it? So I just what I did, I rotate this textbook to get this what to measure this angle. Understand? Okay, or even you can measure, you can take this baseline and you can measure RPO like RPQ like this way. Okay, RPQ you can put like this way also you can measure. Okay, this way also you can measure. Okay, then that time this is our baseline. Okay, and what you will get it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and this actually I think it is exactly 70 we have to get. If I'm keeping it is possible, yeah, it's not 70, it's 110, isn't it? 0. Yes, so you can see that 0 is here and I'm measuring like this way, is reaching on 110. Okay, so we will get the angle. This angle is what? Just to think about, we need to measure RPQ. So you can take this one as baseline or either this one as baseline. Both if you are taking, you will get same answer. Okay, here also same way. Okay, you can see that I kept here. Okay, baseline is this one, isn't it? Now the baseline is this, isn't it? Okay, so you can see that baseline, this means here baseline 0 is comes on here, 0, 10, 30, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 70, 80, 90, 100. There you can see that now what is we will get here 110. Okay, all of you just try. Okay, so this is the way we are measuring the angles. Okay, so you can write this one as what 110 and this is what 30 degree. Okay, so all of you try and find the answer. Okay, thank you.